Welcome Biology B students. This is Miss Teslin and I'm just making another quick video for you for your third assignment, 7.3, the respiratory system. So in this little experiment we're doing or modeling that we're doing, we're going to learn about the lungs and we're going to learn about how when we're breathing in, how we can take in that oxygen and how it can get dispersed throughout our body through the circulatory system and how they're connected. But in particular, we're learning about the lungs. So we're going to click on course activities. We're going to go to lessons. You can also access this worksheet through the assignments. So if we go to the lessons, we're going to click on the 7.3, which is the little binocular, which shows us that's a bunch of slides. Down here is where we can actually click on the worksheet and the lesson where you submit the assignment. So to start out, we're going through the slides. And like I said, we're learning about the respiratory system, which is learning about how gas is exchanged in the lungs and between the blood and the body cells. And you're also going to be creating a model of the lungs. So you're going to need some balloons, you're going to need a straw, you're going to need a plastic pop bottle. And when you click on this activity here, that's going to actually break it down all the steps, but this actually shows a diagram of what you're going to do. So you take your 2-liter pop bottle and you're going to remove the label as much as you can. And then using scissors, you're going to cut about 2 to 3 inches from the bottom of the plastic bottle. And that's bottle is going to be your rib cage, okay, that contains your lungs. So into that rib cage, you're going to stick your lungs or one balloon, and you're going to tape that balloon around a straw. And then you're going to place all of that inside the pop bottle. At the bottom of the pop bottle, you're going to have another balloon, another part of the balloon that you're going to attach through a rubber band around the base of it. So it's like a flexible bottom. And then inside is your other balloon that's taped to the straw. And then you can use clay or just try to secure it that way with some tape and maybe cotton batting and things like that. So this is all representing what your lungs do, and it's going to show you how this works. And then you're going to click on this activity sheet, and then that's going to ask you specific questions about the lungs. So you cannot see this worksheet on this video, but it does. Part 1 actually tells you to build the model, and it goes through all the steps of making the bottle rib cage, constructing the lungs, and then don't forget your diaphragm, which is the bottom of the rib cage, the second balloon that stretches across the bottom of the pop bottle. And then in the part 2 is when you actually are going to start moving the diaphragm. So when you breathe in and out, and how your lungs, when you breathe in and out, and how that impacts your lungs and helps them expand or either deflate, depending on what's happening with your diaphragm. And then you're going to model that a few more times, and then you're going to explain and answer the questions that are found on the worksheet. So once again, when you're ready to submit, you're going to go to the assignment section, and you're going to, you'll have saved your PDF, your worksheet as a PDF, and then you go right to your assignment here, and that's where you're going to attach your worksheet and submit it and get perfect. Good luck.